Hello kings, queens, and everything in betweens. I'm Zach, and today I'm going to teach you how to do an ollie on a skateboard. And let's just not waste any more time with introductions, and let's just jump into this dang thing, shall we? Probably important to say, what is an ollie? An ollie is simply just jumping into the air with your board. Essentially, it's the foundation of a lot of skateboard tricks, but not all of them. The modern street ollie that I'll be teaching you today was invented by none other than Rodney Mullen, God bless his little heart. First, I like to think of the skateboard like a seesaw. When one side goes down, the other side goes up. Think about this when you're first practicing this trick and trying to get familiar with it. So now let's talk about foot placement. Your back foot should be on the tail end of the skateboard. I'd recommend practicing stepping off the board and just practice the pop with your back foot only. It's good to get an idea of how the motion of this trick works. So now that you know how the board pops into air, you're going to use your front foot to help drag it into a higher position. So put your front foot in the middle of the skateboard. Personally, I like to have it a little bit farther up than middle, maybe a little bit closer to those top bolts, but do whatever feels comfortable. And when you think you're ready to try this, push the tail of the board to the ground and listen for contact against the cement. This is when you will turn your front foot at an angle and drag it up the board. When your board gets dragged up into the air, you're going to bring your back foot up to make it level with your front foot. And then just let gravity do the rest and land a nice clean landing. When you first start this trick, it's going to be very difficult, and skateboarding requires a lot of practice, so don't get discouraged. It took me months, possibly even years, to land a good ollie, so just keep practicing, you got it. Alright, now I'm going to give you a quick couple bonus tips. First, crouch when you're doing your ollie, just like you would when you would do a regular jump. I see so many beginners just trying to do an ollie, but their knees aren't even bent. Second, even though this trick does look like one fluid motion, break it down. Think of it as many simple steps. Again, pop the tail, jump into the air, drag your front foot forward, and level out. Break it down. Practice each part individually. Practice popping the tail. Practice dragging your foot. Practice just jumping off your board. Third, if you're scared that you're going to wipe out and eat, find a nice little patch of grass or find a big crack in the cement. This will help you be stable and just practice on the actual motion of the ollie. Again, this trick is kind of weird for beginners. You're not used to just doing all these motions with your feet, but just keep practicing it. Don't give up. Have fun, good luck, and keep shredding the gnar. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of questions you have about skateboarding, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. And if you could, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, keep on shredding the gnar.